Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this surface cleaner from Parkside, the model PFR 28B3, for efficient and splash-free cleaning of exterior surfaces, max pressure 180 bar, cleaning head dimension 28 cm, max input temperature 60 degrees Celsius. With adapter system, includes adapter for other standard pressure washers. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Handle, you can use it with your two hands. The pressure regulator. At the base we have the spray nozzle, it rotates. The brush, 360 degrees. I like it, definitely I would like to see the amount of water. We have the pivoting connector. Nice, I like that. Here you can connect the pipe extension. First, you can connect that. We have silicone rubber. It is very tight, no water leak, and it locks. And then you can connect the other. Here, just press, rotate, and it locks. And here you can use the water high pressure gun from Parkside, press and it locks. The coupling nut, now it is very secure, you cannot remove the high pressure gun. I like it. And of course included we have this adapter. If you want to use other brands at the market, other high pressure washers, you need to use this adapter. If you are using a Parkside high pressure washer, you don't need this adapter. And the adapter goes obviously here. Remove that. Press, rotate, and it locks. And here we have another coupling nut. It depends what high pressure washer you have, and connect that. I will use a Parkside high pressure washer. I have made a video for the newest high pressure washer. You can check that video after the end of this video, right in the corner. Rotate and it locks. Nice, I like it. So let's move on outdoors and see how it's performing. Clean your garden stone at the wall or at any exterior surface with the high water pressure to ensure good results. Connect at any Parkside pressure washer or with the adapter at any other pressure washer brand. A 360 degrees brush helps to clean better without splashing water. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.